Today we will discuss about thermonic converter. From thermonic converter we can create direct electricity. Firstly we will discuss about the parts of the thermonic converter. We have a spherical cell in which we have a ionized gas which is of cesium. We have two electrodes. One is cathode, electron emitter, and second one is anode, which is electron collector. Which electron will be emptied from the cathode, they will be collected by the anode, and these two electrodes are connected with the help of wires with a electric bulb, from which we can see the electricity production. Now what happens when we supply heat to the cathode? When we supplying heat to the cathode, then what will happen? Cathode will liberate the electrons, and also this gas will help to protect the electron to reach on the anode from cathode. Electron will be liberated by the cathode, and ionized gas cesium will help them to transfer from cathode to anode, and the electron will reach to the anode. By the liberation of electron from the cathode, cathode will gain the positive charge. This positive charge gained by the cathode, and this is the electron collector, so this anode will gain the negative charge. By this, electron will transfer through this wire, and electron will going through this wire, and the electric bulb will start glowing by the electron flow, and electron will continuously flow from this path. When we supply heat, the electron will liberate and electron will transfer from this wire, and the electric bulb start glow. So by thermonic converter we can directly produce electric energy by using of electrodes and heat. Thank you.